We're waiting for our Fallen Waters tour and just walking about the beautiful grounds. This is the outside of Fallen Water. It's a cantilever porch there. The photos are not allowed inside.
Not too long. They come in and out really quickly.
Right. It's beautiful, isn't it? That looks good now. You can't see the waterfall unless you look down while you're in the house. So the tour group's moving in now. Except for that one guy. It shows how it's cantilevered. Side view here, right over the waterfall. This is the Lower Bear Run Trail. Part of this Lower Bear Run Trail. There are a lot of rhododendrons and right now a lot of fallen deciduous leaves. So a short look at some of the beautiful scenery on this Lower Bear Run Trail. Yeah, a lot of. So this is the fallen leaves, the Lower Bear Trail. Just got pelted by an acorn. Quite a gorge down there to the stream. Quite a big downhill thing there.
Edgar Jr. will gift this house to the world, to the public, through us, and we're the Western Pennsylvania Conservancy. And that's when we opened for tours. Mr. Kaufman Jr. will gift to us the houses that are here on this complex. He will gift us the land that his family purchased, and he will also gift us the entire content of those homes. Having said that,
we just took the house tour. It was very good. I would highly recommend it. Went in everything except the kitchen, and we went in the guest house. Top floor is where the son lived. The rooms are very sparse and all open with windows. Kitchen. They just had one guest room inside. The really big open living room with a lot of built-in like a built-in sofa, big fireplaces, no air conditioning, and not much. This is the start of the stream that goes to the waterfall.
Probably much simpler to put a support at the end of this thing here.
Right.
They want to be outdoors as much as possible, so he's going to design a house with nearly as much outdoor space as indoor space. He's going to design many connections for them to the site itself. You see these steps coming down to the stream. We're going to see the other end of those once we're inside. Now, I told you the Kaufmans like to be in the stream. Now, that's cold water, even in July. It comes from springs in these hills. They further asked Wright to give us a place.
That is actually a small swimming pool there. It's a larger one up for the guest house.
Well, if you'll come in a little
it's all spring fed. They would come down these steps from the living area. And built like a boat hatch. And could go right into this. Furniture was left to the conservatory. There's Picasso's in there and Diego Rivera paintings and sculptures. Oh,